Your dogs might be experiencing some allergies, and I have two golden retrievers. I use it on Bella. Bella's really prone to allergies, so I end up giving her a lot of this right here, the PetLab Co. And this allergen immune probiotic chew really helps make sure that her skin stays nice and comfortable. She tends to have to scratch a lot on this side during allergy season, but this does wonders. It makes sure that she, again, gets everything she needs so that way she can avoid and fight off those allergies. It boosts the immune system, and again, it also helps with making sure her coat stays nice and clean. So you guys can grab this up. I'll actually put the link below right here for you. So grab it up. They're at a great price. Take advantage.